Stop scrolling. The world you knew just ended. 2026 isn't the future anymore. It's already happening right under your nose. Everything you thought was coming tomorrow is unfolding today, reshaping the way we live, work, and connect. The pace of change is relentless, and the boundaries between the digital and physical worlds are blurring faster than ever. This is not a drill. This is your wake-up call. The future has arrived, and it's rewriting the rules in real time. Are you ready to see what's next? Let's dive into the new reality that's unfolding all around us. We aren't just using AI anymore. We are living inside a digital evolution that is moving faster than human thought. Every interaction, every decision, and every moment is now shaped by intelligent systems working in the background. The line between human and machine is fading, and our daily lives are being redefined by algorithms that anticipate our needs before we even speak them. This isn't about gadgets or apps. It's about a fundamental shift in how we exist. Are you ready to adapt to a world where digital intelligence is woven into the fabric of reality? Prediction number 1. Your smartphone is officially dead. It's been replaced by a sentient AI agent that lives in your ear. Imagine a world where you no longer need to pull out a device to connect, search, or organize your life. This AI agent listens, understands, and acts on your behalf, always present, always learning, and always adapting to your needs. It's not just a tool. It's a companion that anticipates your next move and makes life seamless. The era of screens is fading, and the age of invisible intelligent assistants has begun. These agents don't just suggest things. They book your flights, argue your medical bills, and negotiate your salary while you sleep. Imagine waking up to a world where your personal AI has already handled your to-do list, solved complex problems, and secured better deals for you. The power of automation is now deeply personal, freeing you from mundane tasks and empowering you to focus on what truly matters. This is more than convenience. It's a revolution in how we manage our lives, with AI working tirelessly in the background. Prediction 2. The death of the search bar. Why browse 1,000 links when your AI twin gives you the perfect answer instantly? The days of sifting through endless search results are over. Now your AI understands your intent, context, and preferences, delivering exactly what you need without the noise. This shift means less time searching and more time doing, as information becomes a conversation, not a hunt. The way we access knowledge is transforming, making life simpler and smarter. Google as we know it is a ghost town. Information is now a conversation, not a hunt. This changes everything about how we learn. Instead of searching for facts, we engage in dialogue with AI that understands context and nuance, tailoring knowledge to our needs. The old way of browsing links is fading, replaced by interactive, personalized learning experiences. This is a new era of education and discovery, where curiosity is rewarded with instant, meaningful insights. Prediction 3. Humanoid robots have finally entered the chat. And no, they aren't just in lab videos anymore. These advanced machines are stepping out of research facilities and into the real world, ready to interact, assist, and even collaborate with humans in everyday environments. Their presence signals a new chapter in automation, where robots are not just tools but partners in our daily lives. The future we imagined is now walking among us. They are in warehouses, hospital hallways, and starting to show up in luxury homes. The labor market is shifting forever. These robots are not just performing repetitive tasks. They're adapting, learning, and taking on roles that require empathy and precision. As they become more common, the way we think about work, service, and even companionship is evolving. The impact on jobs and industries is profound, and the ripple effects are just beginning. The future belongs to the fast. If you're not obsessed yet, you're already behind. Smash that subscribe button to stay ahead of the curve. The ride is just beginning.